if you have a problem using Instagram and you want to fix it, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Swipe down to your control center, click your Wi-Fi settings or tools, and make sure that you have a powerful connection or powerful cellular data. Okay, and basically what you're gonna do next, go to your App Store, Google Play, and make sure that you updated your Instagram to the latest version in order to get access to all the new features. Probably why didn't, or why this is holding you back, because you haven't updated Instagram for a while now. So make sure that you do, and if you update it and still facing that issue, go back to your screen, and then what you're gonna do, go ahead to the settings, right, and then go to the general and then software update, and make sure that you're updated your iPhone to the latest version. And as you can see right here, I have a new update. I will do that after I stop recording. Go back and scroll a little bit down, make sure that you go to the date and time, and make sure that you set it automatically. Now, another way of fixing it, you can go ahead to the VPN in device management, because VPN is kind of working around the IP address, or setting a fake IP address. Probably Instagram isn't buying the fact that you are using a fake IP. So make sure that you disconnect VPN in order to basically in order for Instagram to have access to your IP address and most of your information, so they can set the algorithm and verify that this is who you are. So that should fix your problem. If then go to the iPhone storage and scroll a little bit down to the Instagram, go ahead and click on it and upload the app, and this will free up some storage, used by the app, and you're gonna be able to reinstall it again. Instead of the upload, you're gonna be able to see reinstall and reinstall it once again, and that should do it. So let's run out the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.